Alright, so the Green Ranger is my red patrol of blue and black. Hydrax escaped to a city harbor to plan her next attack. Bridge, the Green Ranger has been chosen to chase her down and bring her in again. Use point girl, like a lesson. Where do, Commander? Just fighting them with balls of extension. That's nicely done. If I was caught fighting them with joystick hands. Something else that scrubs away. Trash can is applied. Fighting with SWAT move trucks. You noticed that was a little bit challenge. Just got to punch and fighting them. Always been handled. Trash can is totally a baby tool. Fertilizer. Ranger, this was interesting for a police card. Yeah, it was me, and I was putting him onto a trash can, so just put a fertilizer. The harbor attack, so you do one check. Your defending Green Ranger has been fucking and chosen for this one. Time or less. Just take another section. Another board with trash can supply. Notice that. A ranger opposed fighting Hydrax. So